With every pulse, millions of decisions are made in the blink of an eye. This is where pure science meets impossible engineering, a symphony of light and logic contained in the
Core temperature is stable at 1400.
Copy that, increasing the argon flow now.
The nanostructure on layer 12 looks perfectly stable.
Proceed with the ultraviolet alignment.
In this world, the smallest speck is a monster. A single dust particle can destroy years of engineering.
To understand the nanoscale, let us start with a human hair. At this magnification, it appears massive, about 100 microns wide. Beside it, the
Sub-nanometer scan initiated, capturing surface topography. We are seeing a stable voltage drop across the primary cores.
Copy that, increasing the clock speed to maximum.
In this facility, precision is measured at the nanometer scale. Each approved chip undergoes rigorous automated scanning, powering the next generation of global technology.
A new era of intelligence is redefining our world, from self-driving fleets to global satellite networks, seamlessly connecting every corner of our lives.
This is the landscape of our future, where every single spark reshapes our world.